everyone, welcome back to your class 2 science class and your chapter water and its forms. We already started and we discussed the forms of water and the water cycle. So hope you all understood about the water cycle, that how it moves, how it is cycling and how it heated up and go to the vaporized and then cooled up and it's falling like rain, and those rain water flows to the lake and river also, then again heated up by the sun. Okay, so this is cycle and I already give a picture on the board and hope you all copied it and now you understand it also. So if you have any problem from water cycle, you can ask me also. That is the hail and snow. So today we discuss on the hail and snow. Okay, so hail and snow. So what is it? You know about the snowfall on the hillside, in the hillside, as there are too much low temperature, and that's why you know that in the fridge the water becomes to ice. So like that, at the low temperature, at the negative temperature, the water becomes to snow. So sometimes it's very cold up near the clouds. You know the water when it vaporized from the lake or river, the water become water vapor and it goes to the cloud. So it go to the high up and cool air, and then it makes the teeny water drops and it join the clouds, right? So it's very cold up near the cloud, very cold up. Then those teeny drops of water freeze. Teeny drops of water freeze on their way and fall down as hailstones. Fall down as hailstones. Those are like the called snowballs also. Ice ball, snowball. So that is the hailstones. Hailstones are like snowballs. Sometimes it's very cold in the cloud, so water drops freeze in the cloud itself and fall down as snow. So sometimes those water drops freeze on their way. When it goes to the cloud, that on the way they also freeze, and that makes the hailstone. And when the water drop freeze in the cloud itself and it fall down like a snowfall, like a snow. So we called it snowfall. As the rainfall, that is snowfall. Okay, so that's not so hard, so easy about the, if you understand about this cycle and how the rainfall, like that the snowfall, and the water vapor goes to the cool air. That time that's not too much cold there, but in the hill area their air is too much cold, as you know, very cold there. So that's why those water go to the fridge on their way and they fall down as a hailstone. But when they go to the cloud and then itself it freeze and then fall down at the small parts like rain, that's we call the snow, and that is snowfall. Okay, hope you understand it, and we completed this water and its forms chapter in your this offline class. Hope you all seeing this video. So here the water and its forms, the source of water, the forms of water, water cycles, and hail and hailstone, hail and snow, hailstone or snowfall. These things we already discussed, and on your next online class we will proceed for your exercise part. Okay everyone, so hope you all understand this. If any problem you can ask me in this online class. Okay, so have a nice day and bye. Read this chapter very attentively. Okay.